Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 9 of saving daily in July. I bring $6 every day. I've got a little shark theme going because it's Shark Week month, which they moved the date on me, and I'm a little kind of frustrated, but not really, because I had my whole plan of my launch around Shark Week, so I'm moving things around a little bit today. So today's gonna be super duper hectic. I am filming this the day before, and then tomorrow is Thursday, and that's what I'm kind of just doing. It was supposed to be just like a little mini launch in my live, which is turning into I had this creativity burst, so I have a bunch of things. Yay. All right, so we are gonna put $6 into our minis bank, and basically this just holds the money until we finish a challenge. And when we finish one, we come back here, and whatever amount the challenge was that we finished, we just take the money out of there, and we exchange our $6 of cash for $6 of prop coins, and mine are all quarters, so I can just set those there. And then we're going to go to our little start here marker, and we're going to pull that out, and we're going to start at number 6. And I've been using my blue D3, but I'm going to use my Coke Zero D3. And spoiler alert, if you're watching, this is one of my lower videos that people watch, but the ones that are watching, there's going to be a little shark version of my Coke Zero dice bundle coming out the week of Shark Week. So you get a little insider info because you're here. Okay, so we're going to roll that D3. It's going to tell us how many prop coins to put down. And let's go. 2 for number 6. I know, I'm excited. I've started to design it, and it's kind of I still had one shark that was on everything. There's the same Coke Zero on all the die. 2 for number 3. But part of me was should I mix it up? I don't know. So when it comes out, you guys will get to see where I ended up with that. I'm really excited about that one. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go back to number 1. Just getting 2. I hope you guys are having a good week. This week has flown by. Babe is doing fantastic work on the fireplace corner. I can't believe it. It's insane. And then there's a water hose, so we have to have 1, 2, and 3, and then there's 1 left, so that one will go to number 1, and then we will start at 2 next time. There's when they redid, we had our whole water system redone with PEX in the attic. So when they did that, one of the, I don't know what I'm talking about, hoses came down that kind of goes out to a water spigot outside, I guess. Literally no idea what I'm talking about. So that we have the plumber coming back today to make sure that that can be moved. I don't think the word safely is, but correctly, I guess. So yeah, so that's going to be huge. So then it should just kind of go from there. I don't know, keep reporting back. So number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that means we have $1. Oh, we're going to start this one from Budget with Tiffany 26. I see a 50-cent down here. We're going to put that shark into he's coming at the challenges. There, action shot. I'm still trying to use my Crayola clicks, because then once they're gone, they're gone. Let's get the orange out. So we have $1, so let's do the 50 cents here. The orange is too light for me. I want you guys to see it. I want to see it. All right, we're going to do brown. So we're going to take out that 50 cents, and then we can do 2 more pieces of pie. I still have only had pumpkin pie twice in my life. That's funny. I told somebody that 10 years ago that I had never had pumpkin pie, and they lost their mind. I was like, what? We were an apple pie family, I guess. I don't know. All right, so this one, did I even say who that was from? Yeah, Budget with Tiffany 26. This one's from Kimmy's Corner. I keep putting them upside down. Okay, so we got 50 cents, so we did not finish this one. But that is okay, because it is super cute and super patriotic, which I love. My husband's a veteran, so the flag has dual meaning for me. All right, so number 3, got 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that's $1 going into number 3. Oh, heifer, please. This one's from Kimmy's Corner again. I have a lot of Kimmy's Corner in here. So we can do $1, so let's do 25, 50, 75, $1. Oh, heifer, please. I didn't even check my camera, see if we're straight. That's all right. Sorry for the glare, folks. I could be here all day doing this. Oh, okay. So number 4 got 50 cents as well. And my nails will be back in a few days. Oh, acrylic clicks don't like laminate. All right, so let's go back to Sharpie. So we have 50 cents. This one's from Norellis Budgets, so 25 and 50. And these sparkly markers are from CC at Creations by Muneca. I always have my sparkly markers linked. Okay, so this is from Norellis Budgets, Sweater Weather. I don't know why I have to say it that way, but apparently I do. I think it's the Saturday Night Live skit. All right, 25, 50, and 75 for number 5. Oh, from Budgeting with Kim, we've got the little truck and stars. All right, so I can do 3 more stars. I'm gonna get my red that I've been using, so I will be right back. All right, so 50 more cents for that one, and that one will be done, and that is going to buffer. I might switch that. We'll see. All right, so that's buffer. And then number 6 got a ton. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's $1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 6 got $2. And we just needed $1.50. I'm gonna get my Sharpie back out because this is laminated. So we have $2 and we just needed $1.50. So $25.50, $75, $1, $25.50. Yay! We finished this one from Kimmy's Corner. Fishing and free. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This saved us $5. All right. And then we have 50 cents to go into a new one. Let's put that there. Let's get a new one. Just picking a random one. Oh, we got Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Aw, it's a little library cafe. This one probably can take Crayola clicks. So let's do, oh, that's gonna be squeaky. Hopefully Grease fast forwarded that a little bit because that was really squeaky. I tried to go really light so it wouldn't squeak. Okay, so that is going to go back into number 6. Let that dry a little bit. All right. So now we can go back to the front. We can put our prop coins away. Zip that up, and then we can get $5 for this one that we finished from our minis bank. And then I already forgot where this is going. Is it going to the shark binder? Sweet. I know right where that goes, so we can just stuff that without... There we go. We're just going to put this 5 right in here to the shark binder. Every little bit helps. I'm going to start something new with the shark binder. Maybe not this weekend, but towards the end. And then this one's a completed one. So we're just going to stick this there just to kind of keep a rough track of how many I've finished. Yay! Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for day 9. And yeah, I'm probably just going to go ahead and film day 10 because I have the money already in here. So I'm going to clean this up and hit stop and then hit record again, and it's going to be a brand new day. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and until next time, take care. Bye.